Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 454. The Impala name has been an icon in American automotive history, and Chevrolet has revived it in the best way possible. This isn't just a standard Impala, it's an SS, and not just any SS. It carries the legendary 454 badge, bringing back the muscle car heritage with modern technology. Chevrolet has gone all in, blending raw power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge features into a package that demands attention. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Impala or someone looking for a high-performance, full-size sedan, this review is for you. Right from the first glance, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 454 makes a bold statement. The front end is designed to intimidate, with a massive blacked-out grille featuring the iconic SS badge at its center. The LED headlights are slim and sharp, taking inspiration from the classic Impala models of the late 1960s, while integrating modern LED technology for improved visibility. The hood is sculpted with a functional air intake, hinting at the monstrous engine lurking underneath. Chevrolet has ensured that every detail of the front fascia exudes power and aggression. The lower bumper features large air intakes that help with cooling while adding to the car's muscular stance. Moving along the side, the Impala SS 454 carries a long, wide, and low-slung silhouette that enhances its road presence. The body lines are sculpted for aerodynamics while maintaining a classic muscle car aesthetic. The side mirrors are finished in gloss black and the door handles are flush with the body, giving the car a sleek and modern look. The SS badge sits proudly behind the front fender, paying homage to its legendary predecessors. The car rides on massive 20-inch performance wheels wrapped in high-grip tires, ensuring both style and performance are maximized. Chevrolet offers an array of bold colors, including torch red, midnight black, metallic blue, and a special edition SS-exclusive deep crimson. At the rear, the 2025 Impala SS 454 continues its blend of retro and modern design. The LED taillights have a horizontal layout reminiscent of the classic Impalas from decades past. The quad exhaust system is not just for show, it produces a deep, throaty roar that reminds you of its muscle car DNA. The aggressive rear bumper houses a functional diffuser, helping with high-speed stability. Every angle of the Impala SS screams performance, making it clear that this isn't just a family sedan, it's a full-fledged powerhouse. Step inside, and the interior of the 2025 Impala SS 454 is just as impressive as its exterior. Chevrolet has taken a performance-oriented approach without sacrificing luxury. The driver-focused cockpit features high-quality materials, including leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The steering wheel is flat-beminged, wrapped in perforated leather, and features SS badging along with paddle shifters for manual control. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, providing real-time performance data such as horsepower, torque, G-forces, and even track timers. At the center of the dashboard sits a massive 12.5-inch infotainment touchscreen running Chevrolet's latest software. The system is smooth and responsive, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Below the screen, Chevrolet has retained physical buttons for climate control, allowing for intuitive operation without distraction. The center console is designed for convenience, with a wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and a deep storage compartment. The sport bucket seats are wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching and SS embroidery. They offer heating, ventilation, and even a massage function for maximum comfort. The rear seats provide generous legroom, making this a practical, full-size sedan that doesn't compromise on space. The trunk is also surprisingly spacious, adding another layer of everyday usability. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a modernized 6.6-liter V8 engine that proudly wears the 454 badge. This powerhouse delivers a staggering 650 horsepower and 650 lpm of torque, making it one of the most powerful full-size sedans on the market. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission, which ensures lightning-fast shifts and smooth power delivery. Chevrolet has engineered this engine to provide both raw performance and surprising efficiency with cylinder deactivation technology that shuts down half the cylinders under light loads. The Impala SS 454 accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just under 3.5 seconds, making it a serious contender in the high-performance sedan category. The rear-wheel drive system, paired with an electronically controlled limited-slip differential, provides excellent traction and control. Chevrolet has also equipped the car with adaptive suspension, allowing drivers to switch between different driving modes including comfort, sport, and track. Each mode adjusts the steering feel, throttle response, suspension stiffness, and exhaust note, providing a customizable driving experience. Braking performance is just as impressive, with large Brembo brakes ensuring that all this power can be controlled effectively. The car handles surprisingly well for its size thanks to a well-balanced chassis, active torque vectoring, and a lightweight aluminum frame. Despite its muscle car roots, the Impala SS 454 offers a refined and composed ride, making it an excellent choice for both spirited driving and long road trips. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 454 offers a lot of performance for the money. The base model starts at around $65,000, which is a competitive price for a high-performance full-size sedan with this level of power and features. However, with optional performance packages, premium interior upgrades, and advanced driver assist features, the price can climb to over $75,000. Compared to rivals like the Dodge Charger Hellcat, BMW M5, and Cadillac CT5V Blackwing, the Impala SS 454 holds its own with a balance of brute force, luxury, and everyday usability. For those considering this car, it's an excellent choice for anyone who wants the raw power of a muscle car with the comfort and practicality of a full-size sedan. It's perfect for enthusiasts who appreciate American V8 performance and want a car that can dominate the road while still offering a comfortable ride. However, if fuel efficiency is a concern, this may not be the best option. Despite cylinder deactivation, the 6.6-liter V8 is still thirsty. Additionally, for those looking for a track-focused experience, some European competitors may offer sharper handling, but none can match the Impala SS 454's mix of heritage, power, and presence. Chevrolet has truly done justice to the Impala SS name, bringing back the 454 badge with a car that lives up to its legendary status. It's a muscle car at heart, but refined enough to be driven daily, making it a unique offering in today's market. This is a car that turns heads, excites drivers, and reminds us why V8-powered American sedans are still something special. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2025 Chevrolet Impala SS 454. What do you think? Has Chevrolet delivered on the hype? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.